ये बहुत शर्मनाक है। डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट सेफ।
I have been arrested many times from the classroom in emergency days when Congress party was ruling. Those who take law and order in their own hand, the police have to act accordingly, and the police has acted accordingly for those cases. Any student activist who wants to do activism should face this.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Sir, I crave the indulgence of all the members cutting across the party lines. This is not a partisan issue, it's a bipartisan issue. Sir, we have a parliamentary democracy based on multi-party system. Yesterday, an unfortunate incident happened. A Delhi police team barged into the headquarters of CPM, which is a national political party. You know that, sir. Camera not showing, sir. Why are they camera playing like this?
No. You address to me. You address to me.
Sir.
You address to me.
Sir. Yesterday, Delhi police team barged into AKG Bhavan. You have huge respect. You have told many a time respect for AK Gopalan. Sir, it was to arrest Aishi Ghosh, Madam Nirmala ji, who is a former JNU Students Union president. Her only mistake was that she participated in Jantar Mantar agitation. Leave it, sir. Sir, I happen to be there, sir. I want your indulgence. Yashankar ji, you also should. I happened to go there. I asked the Delhi police team, why did you barge into the office of a national political party? Then they said they want to arrest Aishi Ghosh, who is here. And I asked, what is the reason? They said there is a case pending against her. And I asked about the case. 2021 case with regard to certain protest in JNU campus. Sir, then I told them, sir, please listen. Sir, this is a... Arey, Shramik, please. Sir, this is a bipartisan issue. I have no problem in Delhi police. I have no problem Delhi police have. Sir, the shocking thing is that they came without uniform.
Now you conclude.
Sir,
now you
1997 Act. SOP of Delhi police. The Delhi police has to be identified. My demand is that they want to send the fear across the youngsters.
Now you conclude.
I want a statement from the Honorable Home Minister as to what has happened.
Now, Leader of the Opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge ji.
सर, जो बेटा ने यहाँ पर उठाया मुद्दा, ये बहुत शर्मनाक है कि एक नेशनल पार्टी के ऑफिस में हम घुस के अगर सीबीआई के लोग पुलिस ये घुस के जाते हैं, उसको अरेस्ट करने की बात करते हैं। डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट सेफ, पीपल आर नॉट सेफ। देयरफॉर आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, people who have gone there unauthorized, they should be punished. Why they have gone? Who are they? Who ordered them?
You ask your people to sit in there.
No, I'm asking. Who asked them to go there?
Now,
who ordered?
Now the Honorable Leader of the House.
That
Now
is
the
not
Leader
the
of the
House.
House will reply.
That is not the House.
Sir, you have raised your voice. Let the government respond to it.
Sir,
Let the government to respond to it. He has raised, you have raised. Sir, let the government respond to it. Please take your seat. Please take your seat, let him respond. Now the Leader of the House.
whatever my friend, sir, what my friend John Vikas has said, this is a very normal law and order situation that we have to understand. I have been a student activist. I have been arrested many times from the classroom in emergency days when
party was ruling. I have been arrested. Mr. John Vitas, it is a normal situation. A student activist has to face.
Go back and take your
those
seat.
who take law and order in their own hand, the police have to act accordingly, and the police has acted accordingly for those cases. They are trying to sensationalize. It is a normal law and order activity which the police undertakes, and any student activist who wants to do activism should face this. Even I have faced not once, many times. When there was emergency, I was arrested from the classroom, not once, but twice. So this is a very normal situation, sir.
Now, Shriman R. Girirajan, through R. Girirajan ji. Girirajan ji, you have to speak whether you like to speak or not, you tell me. You don't want to speak, then I'm calling the other.